أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
I seek refuge in Allah from the Shaitan Mardud, starting in the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
الحج أشهر معلومات فمن فرض فيهن الحج فلا رفث ولا فسوق ولا جدال في الحج وما تفعلوا من خير يعلمه الله وتزودوا فإن خير الزاد التقوى واتقون يا أولي الألباب.
Hajj is during well-known months, so whoever has made Hajj obligatory upon himself therein by entering the state of Ihram, there is to be for him no sexual relationship and no disobedience and no disquieting during Hajj, and whatever good for you do, Allah knows it, and take provisions, but indeed the best provision is fear of Allah, and fear me, O you understanding.
ليس عليكم جناح أن تبتغوا فضلا من ربكم فإذا أفضتم من عرفات فاذكروا الله عند المشعر الحرام واذكروه كما هداكم وإن كنتم من قبله لمن الضالين.
There is no blame upon you for seeking bounty from your Lord during Hajj, but when you depart from Arafat, remember Allah at Masar Ahram, and remember Him as He has guided you, for indeed you were before that among those astray.
ثم أفيضوا من حيث أفاض الناس واستغفروا الله إن الله غفور رحيم.
Then depart from the place from where all the people depart and ask forgiveness of Allah. Indeed, Allah is forgiving and merciful.
فإذا قضيتم مناسككم فاذكروا الله كذكركم آباءكم أو أشد ذكرا فمن الناس من يقول ربنا آتنا في الدنيا وما له في الآخرة من خلاق.
And when you have completed your rites, remember Allah like your previous remembrance of your fathers are with much greater remembrance, and among the people is he who says, our Lord give us in this world, and he will have in the hereafter no share.
ومنهم من يقول ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار.
But among them is he who says, our Lord give us in this world that which is good, and in the hereafter that which is good, and protect us from the punishment of the fire.
أولئك لهم نصيب مما كسبوا والله سريع الحساب.
Will have a share of what they have earned, and Allah is swift in account.
واذكروا الله في أيام معدودات فمن تعجل في يومين فلا إثم عليه ومن تأخر فلا إثم عليه لمن اتقى واتقوا الله واعلموا أنكم إليه تحشرون.
And remember Allah during specific numbers day, then whoever hastens his departure in 2 days, there is no sin upon him, and whoever delays until the 3rd, there is no sin upon him. For him who fears Allah and know that unto him you will be gathered.
صدق الله